Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. It's been a very long time since I last posted a video. A lot has happened. May Allah free our brothers and sisters in Palestine. As you can see from the kitchen clock, it's about 7:30 on a Sunday morning, and uncle and his family are coming for brunch in a few hours around 12 o'clock. And here I am going to start off by marinating the chicken. I am making Tawa chicken. Tawa chicken is a really popular dish in Lahore. I have washed and cleaned 5 chickens that I quartered and sliced, and I'm one by one marinating them with the vinegar first of all. So I'm going to let the vinegar sit here for a few minutes. Next I'm going to make the marinade. So I start off by taking these spices and roasting the cumin seeds. Detailed recipe is in the caption below. Here I'm making 5 chickens worth, so I've got to multiply everything by 5. But in the caption below I'll be sharing a recipe for 1 chicken, and then you can just adjust accordingly. So here I've got the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds, and I'm going to quickly roast them. I'm also adding black peppercorns, so I'm going to grind them by hand. So you can see that they are medium coarse. So I've grinded both the cumin, coriander and the black peppercorns. Next I'm going to add the red chili flakes, turmeric and red chili powder. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, also add in salt. I always use pink salt. I don't know about you guys, but we have stopped buying table salt and only use pink salt, which of course is from Pakistan. And next I'm going to, in a bowl, add garlic paste and ginger paste, add this masala that we've just made, add some yogurt as well. In a hard place, do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing. You need to make sure that you mix it really well, like this, and you want to only use half of this mixture on the chicken and leave the rest of the marinade for later on when you're cooking. Try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. So like I said, I'm only using a little bit of the marinade here. I'm going to leave the rest of the mixture for later on. And this is what I've left with. So I'm going to leave this aside now. And next dish that I'm making is this delicious Mung dal chaat. If you're seen my videos before, I've made this before and Auntie really loves it, so I thought I would especially make it for her as well. So here in the yogurt I'm putting some sugar, some jarred masala in, and salt and some yogurt, and just mix this through. Last night before going to sleep I actually soaked the Moong dal in some water. So so I can just boil it this morning. I think I made about a cup worth of Moong dal. I didn't make a video, but I also made these babur as well just now. And here is the Moong dal. I've boiled it, they've cooked. I'm just quickly frying it in some oil, some red chilli and some ginger garlic. Now Uncle and the guests are coming in a couple of hours. It's about 11 o'clock at this time. But what I decided to do was that to cook half of the chicken. No, not half the chicken. Cook the chicken half. Half cook the chicken. Oh my god. Half cook the chicken now, so almost like have it ready, and then when they come, just before coming, nearer the time, put it on very slow heat and just cook off the rest of the masala. I think that was the best thing, and that's what I actually did, and it turned out really good. So I'm glad I started cooking like 2-3 hours beforehand. So I got this tawa from Pakistan. I absolutely love it. I've actually made chapli kebab on this and they turned out so good. I will make them again and I'll share the recipe with you then. But this was great, and I served this tawa as it is on the dining table. It's brilliant, isn't it? And this chimta that I have, these tongs are great. Anyway, whilst that is slowly cooking, I'm going to make the chaat. I'm going to assemble the chaat. So here I'm making the salad part where I mix the tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped coriander, fresh coriander leaves. Mix it all together, set it aside. And in my serving tray, I'm going to make one layer of the Moong dal. Take out the bay leaf because we don't want to have that coming in. Spread that. So this chaat I make by layering. I'm going to layer the Moong dal, and on top of that I'm going to layer this salad. And the roti that you see, the paratha at the back, that is for my son who's going to be eating, not for the Moong chaat. So don't get confused. So here I've done the salad, and next I'm going to take the potatoes. These have been also lightly fried, sauteed I would say, not fried, in some red chilli and some masala. I'll share the recipe below in the caption so that you can simply follow it through. And next I'm going to spread some imli ki chutney. This is meaty imli ki chutney, and then green chutney as well. I'm going to add some yogurt as well on top, and then I'm just going to simply repeat the layers. So at this time there was not much time left, and I knew they would be coming in an hour, so I quickly added the papri chaat, not the papri chaat, the papar on the edge of the dish, and finished off the chicken. I added some lemon juice as well. It's so delicious, this chicken is. And I will be serving it on the tawa, on the table like this. And I also made some little cupcakes with my daughter, some salad, onion salad as well. I didn't set the table, I had a very informal setting this time. And this onion salad is really nice as well. It's just onion with some vinegar, coriander leaves and some sumac. And here is my delicious Moong chaat and masala chips as well. I also made very quickly, and some kebab as well that I just fried. And here is the chicken. The chicken was so delicious. I absolutely love making this chicken now. And as you can see, I just served it directly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog.